Yo, welcome. I'm Trunks. Nice to meet you guys. Gonna do my first YouTube video here. We're gonna do online battle, VGC style. I've been a big fan of the VGC ever since Sword and Shield, so decided to make a video about Scarlet and Violet in this new season. So I want to show you this team. I'm gonna preview this team right here, and then we're gonna do a match. So we got Fluttermane here, we're the Photosynthesis ability with choice specs. Fairy Terra, it's got Shadow Ball, Moon Blast, Dazzling Gleam, Icy Wind. We got Iron Hands with the Quark Drive and the Assault Vest. He's fighting Electric type Fire Terra. We got Tornadus Prankster with the Covert Cloak, Dark Terra, Liquid Storm, Tailwind, Taunt, Sunny Day. We got Gouging Fire, one of these new Pokemon from the new DLC. It got Photosynthesis, Clear Amulet. It's a Grass Terra. It's running Flare Blitz, Stomping Tantrum, Dragon Dance, and Burning Bulwark. We got Rillaboom for grass coverage. He's got Grassy Surge, Miracle Seed. We got Grassy Glide. He's a Grass Terra. We got Walking Wake with a Photosynthesis, Life Orb, and he's a Water Terra. All right, so that's the team. Let's do some battles. Also, feel free to check out my TikTok. I stream on TikTok every weekend, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So got a lot of followers through there, as you can see in the follower goal right there. And we also do subscribers. So subscribers get us skip the line for trades and battles. So we do a whole bunch of trades on the TikTok stream. Lots of viewer battles. It's a fun time, so I definitely recommend. All right, so here we go. We're in the Great Ball tier right now. All right, opposing trainer has been found. All right, let's see who they got. So they got Incineroar, Rillaboom, Urshifu, Fluttermane. They got I think that's a new Pokemon. And they got Tornadus. So let's see what we got here. So Tornadus, so I probably got to do my Tornadus. Actually, I'll do Iron Hands with the Fluttermane. Maybe we can knock out their Tornadus. Gouging Fire seems pretty good here. And we'll do Tornadus of our own too. All right, let's see how this goes. I think my favorite Pokemon from this team probably Walking Wake. I think he's really cool. I like Suicune a lot. I mean, even though he looks a little different, you know, he looks more he's from the wild. Oh, they got a cool Lycanroc profile picture. I respect that. I won't be mad if I lose. Okay, so kind of what I figured. Kind of a good lead so far. The only thing that's concerning is Urshifu, because Urshifu could outspeed. So let me see if I can. They might read me pretty good here. I could Fairy Terra, but let's see. I'm doing Moonblast into the Urshifu, but oh, I think I know what I should have done. I probably should have faked out the Urshifu. Let's see what happens. All right, we got a Terra from them. Let's see what they got. They got Terra Tornado. Is it a ghost? Oh, that's pretty smart. That's pretty smart. Got fake out. My fake out doesn't work. Oh no. Rain dance. Oh, they're gonna knock out someone here. If it's Flutter Mane, that's not good. Oh, but we're faster. Oh, they're sashed. That's unfortunate. Yeah, we should have faked out or Shifu. Surging strikes. Yeah, it's gonna knock us out for sure. I'm watching a sunny day here. Should try to get Shifu's moves to not do that much damage. We got Tailwind, which I'm fine with. All right, that's the good. That won't get us. So. Yeah, we survived. That was pretty smart. We gotta think big brain with all these matchups. All right, Shifu's gone. Also, don't forget to check out that Torchic in the upper left corner. That's my guy right there. I strive to be as strong as him. Okay, that's not good. So we got It's okay, we can Fire Terra here. Heavy Slam, that should do a lot of damage. I will Tailwind. For Entei in the back. Ah, there's a Fire Terra. I don't think they see the Fire Terror coming. We got Moonblast. Yikes. There we go. Not very effective. Bleakwind Storm. That's fine with me. Heavy Slam. Is that a KO? That was a KO. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Alright, that's a new Pokemon. Looks like Duraludon. I can Drain Punch that. I guess I'll Bleakwind Storm. Oh, we got a Rain Dance. Okay, I didn't see that coming. That's not good. I'm still a little faster though. That's pretty good. Stamina. It's one of those Pokemon. Electro Shot. Absorbed Electricity. Special Attack Rose. Oh wow, that is... Jeez, that is very broken. What a broken move. Okay. That's not good because they got Rain. They got Rain set up. Alright, the Drain Punch did a good amount of damage. The stamina, jeez. And it's got leftovers. That's pretty strong. Maybe a Stomping Tantrum could get the job done. I hope so. I think we got to double into it. Yeah, stamina. That's a good ability, man. Oh, my opponent is thinking here. They're taking a while. I wonder what they're thinking. I'm thinking that I'm probably gonna lose. We got Protect from Tornadus. I didn't see that coming. Okay, that's fine. Oh, we got a double Protect. All right. Is it because my Tailwind's gonna end here? You know, that's what I should have done a Dragon Dance. I'm trying to get more health. Yeah, was it their Tailwind or my Tailwind? Oh, I still got Tailwind up. I mean, they're probably do Tailwind is what I'm assuming now. But I think we should double into that Pokemon. That Duraludon looking thing. I gotta go over all the new Pokemon from the DLC. I feel like there's so many. I'm so lost. Like the Entei Pokemon, I keep forgetting its name. Stomping Tantrum. Yo, super effective. What a, and it was a crit. Yeah, there we go. I got luck on my side. For the first YouTube video, we got luck on our side. We got Drain Punch. Drain Punch won't hit though. We got a Bleak Wind Storm. I think we're doing fine on health. Yeah, we're doing fine. But my Tailwind ended, which is fine though. We're fine. So I think 90 damage. I'll do Wild Charge. And I will do... Oh, Fire Blitz will not do that much. Stomping Tantrum could do damage. Battle was canceled. There we go, guys. Starting off the video with a win. I love it. All right, I got time for one more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's do one more, and then I'll be posting another video. We'll do one video a week probably. And then yeah, feel free to send me suggestions, whatever you guys think or like about the video. But if you don't like with the video, I'm open to anything, open to changing it. I'm gonna make a playlist about the Pokedex and go. It's kind of like a comedy series. Go through go through all the Pokemon and read about their bios. Because some of their bios are pretty crazy. I gotta find what's the best battle song. Is it Star Barrage? Director Clavel. Yeah, we're going up against Alex, rank 9. All right, Alex has those new legendary Pokemon, which I'm a fan of. We got Gouging Fire, Walking Wake, Raging Bolt, Tornadus, okay, and Flutter Mane as well. So, what am I thinking here? Iron Hands was good last time. And to be honest, so was Flutter Mane. I think we get Tornadus in there. Flutter Mane in the back. Gouging Fire. Sure, we need Gouging Fire. Let's try that. Yo, he got a cool outfit though. All right, we got the Flutter Mane. All right, perfect. This is usually I can trick the people here if I do the Fire Terra, so I will Heavy Slam into Flutter Mane here. Do I need the Tailwind? I could taunt Tornadus. Let me taunt Tornadus. We'll see. I don't know if their Tornadus is faster, though. It's risky. Alright, this is my Terra. With the Fire Terra Iron Hands. Yeah, Gouging Fire was MVP last match, though. He was sweeping at the end there. Oh, so Tornadus was faster. That's annoying. Well, no more tailwinds from you, sir. Alright, Flutter Mane, Moonblast. They're like, what? I thought it was gonna do a lot of damage. Heavy Slam's gonna do a lot of damage. There he goes. Fainted. Perfect. Off to a good start. Dude, Iron Hands has been one of the greatest Pokemon from this game, man. He's so good competitively. He's so bulky. Fake out Pokemon. He got Drain Punch. Heavy Slam to counter the Fairy type Pokemon. Dude's a tank, man. One of my favorite from the generation. We got Raging Bolt coming in here. He's pretty strong. Alright, so I'm gonna Wild Charge here. I will Tailwind as well. We got a Bleak Wind Storm. It's gonna miss. Iron Hands, perfect. This is about half on Tornadus. That's pretty strong. Thunderbolt. Alright, so they went for the double, which is fine, actually. It's actually pretty good. We get the Wild Charge. Super effective. Tornadus fainted, so pretty good start, I would say. Iron Hand damaged by recoil. Alright, now we can put Flutter Mane to sweep, because I think he's going to put out Walk and Wake or Raging or Gouging Fire. What do you guys think of Gouging Fire? It's like he's wearing like a funny hat. Like a party hat. Alright, here we go. So, Drain Punch into Raging Bolt. And I think a Dazzling Gleam, I mean, should do a lot of damage. Oh, because Gouging Fire has Fire type. It's not going to do as much. I'll do Dazzling Gleam. I think Flutter Mane's faster than everyone. Damn, what did they do to my boy Entei? I don't know if he looks scarier or if he looks cuter. I don't know which one it is. Alright, we got a Terra. Oh. Fire Terra. Alright, that's fine. That is fine with me. Thunderclap. Dazzling Gleam, okay. Iron Head. That's gonna knock us out. Super effective. Flutter Mane fainted. I should have doubled into oh, there we go, perfect. I did double into Raging Bolt. Oh, this is great. Now Gouging Fire can do Stomping Tantrum into this Pokemon right here. Here you go, buddy. Get in there. Sweep again. I might name this video Gouging Fire. Or center around Gouging Fire. Him and Iron Hands are just doing great this round. Or this video. Alright, this should do it. Stomping Tantrum. Super effective. He did Earthquake. Uh-oh. Oh, that was actually pretty risky. That could have got both of us. Drain Punch. Oh, wow. He actually survived that. He's on red. I don't know if you... let me move this away. Yeah, he's on red. All right, this should be the game right here. They might forfeit. We'll see. Stomping Tantrum. There it is. Super effective. Gouging Fire fainted. We defeated Alex. GG's, Alex. All right, that's awesome. 2 W's in a row. All right, guys. Well, just want to thank you for watching. That was a quick video. My first video that I've made. I have a TikTok account called Trunks Trico. Feel free to check that out. I stream every weekend through that. Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And there's a Discord link in that, so join the Discord. There's a link in my TikTok bio. You get all the information about when I go live. And I'll be trying to be doing some YouTube videos weekly as well. Trying to grow followers and all that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed the 2 wins right there. That was pretty fun. Look, if you ever need help in real life, just call Gouging Fire, man. Gouging Fire will definitely help you. Dude is super strong. So if you got heavy groceries that you gotta lift, Gouging Fire, call him. If your car breaks down and you gotta push it, call Gouging Fire. If you're in an argument with someone and you don't have any good comebacks, who are you gonna call? Gouging Fire, bro. Dude's a beast. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, what day this is for you. All right, see you later.